Hello and welcome! Today we'll talk about a widget installation on ConvertLabs. You might have noticed this image on the website footer. Well, it's a placeholder for a new widget. To replace it, let's go to ConvertLabs, Widgets, Widgets list, and select Email. Now let's change the CTA action and point it to the booking page. In the Style tab, let's change the background to transparent and the button color to the one used in all the website. Now I'll add a little CSS to make the widget horizontal. In the Advanced tab, let's change the placeholder. Let's click Save and Update. Finally, in the Installation tab, let's copy the installation code. Now on WordPress, let's go to Appearance, Customize, Footer, and paste the code in the widget area. Then click Publish. Now let's go back, clear cache, and see the new widget it's in the footer. Emails entered here will be shown on your lead list on ConvertLabs. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.